Welcome everyone to today's explainer. Look, if you're a focused learner, someone who really wants to figure out how to turn all this emerging technology into an actual tangible asset, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're exploring exactly how to earn money with artificial intelligence. We're looking ahead, mapping out 7 truly powerful methods for 2026. Our whole goal today is to break down exactly how you can leverage these new digital tools to create primary or just solid remote income streams right from the comfort of your couch. We're not talking sci-fi today. We are talking actionable, accessible strategies.
Okay, let's dive into this because the claims here are absolutely massive. Everyday people are literally tapping into this tech right now to generate serious, life-changing income. We're talking about potential earnings ranging from thousands to literally lakhs of rupees every single month. Like, it's not just pocket change for a handful of tech experts in Silicon Valley. It's a complete game changer in how anyone, really, anyone with a laptop and Wi-Fi can generate real value in today's economy.
So the huge fundamental question you really need to ask yourself right now is this: how are you going to earn in 2026? Are you just going to sit back, be a passive consumer, and watch everybody else succeed? Or are you going to harness this stuff for yourself? The whole landscape of work is changing faster than ever, and that's exactly why we put this explainer together, to help you navigate this totally new era and give you the blueprints you need to take control of your financial future.
Here's our quick roadmap for today. We're going to start with content and freelancing. Then we'll scale things up to YouTube and affiliate income. After that, we'll dive into courses and chatbots. And finally, we'll wrap up with the absolute truth about real earnings.
All right, part 1, content and freelancing.
The sheer variety of digital services you can offer right now is just staggering. You no longer have to sit there staring at a blank screen trying to write a blog post from scratch. AI tools can literally help you draft social media posts, write up engaging video scripts, translate text seamlessly, and even design professional logos and thumbnails. It's wild! You basically transition from being the person doing all the grueling manual labor to being an editor and a prompt engineer. You're delivering top-tier digital services to clients so much faster than before. And hey, you can also create and sell really attractive AI-generated images on various online marketplaces. Creators out there are generating incredible, steady income just by coming up with beautiful concepts and prompting the AI to do all the heavy lifting. I mean, no art degree, no expensive paints, no problem. It's a fantastic way to monetize your creativity and imagination right from scratch.
Let's move to and see how this builds in Section 2, YouTube and affiliate income.
Think about the huge trend of YouTube automation. In the past, running a channel was a massive headache, right? You had to write, record, edit, do the whole shebang yourself. But now, AI just smashes right through those bottlenecks. Step 1, you rapidly generate engaging scripts. Step 2, you create super professional, natural-sounding voiceovers. And Step 3, you easily edit the final cut. You can essentially run a completely faceless YouTube channel, sitting back and acting as the high-level director of your very own automated digital production line. So once that faceless channel actually starts building an audience, how do you get paid? Well, you've got 3 main monetization channels: traditional ad revenue, brand sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You are quite literally building a digital asset that works for you 24/7. Now, speaking of affiliate marketing, the strategy here is brilliantly simple. First, you leverage AI to pump out really engaging niche content. Second, you strategically plug in product links. And finally, you earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Affiliate marketing is absolutely a volume game at its core, and AI gives you the exact content volume you need to crush it.
All right, Section 3, courses and the chatbot business. This is where we step up to B2B and expert solutions.
If you already have a specialized skill, honestly, anything from Python coding to baking sourdough, AI can help you package that knowledge into a profitable online course at lightning speed. You can use it to instantly generate structured presentation slides, compile really thorough study notes, and organize your entire video outline. It completely removes the friction of course creation, so you can just focus purely on sharing your expertise and, of course, marketing the actual course. But listen, arguably one of the most lucrative B2B setups out there right now is building customized AI chatbots for small businesses to handle their customer service. Think about it for a second. Small companies simply can't afford a massive round-the-clock support team, but a well-trained AI chatbot, it can answer common customer questions instantly, 2 a.m. on a Sunday, doesn't matter. And you step in as the expert consultant who builds and sets up this absolute lifesaver of a solution for them.
And this brilliantly illustrates a key point. Demand in this field is increasing rapidly. Small and medium businesses are really waking up to the crazy cost-saving efficiency of AI, and they desperately need people who actually know how to implement it. By positioning yourself as an AI chatbot provider, you're not just selling some passing gimmick, you are surfing a massive, growing wave of actual market demand.
Which brings us to our final section, the truth about real earnings. Let's do a quick reality check here.
So the crucial point is this: AI is merely a tool. It's not some magical wand that just prints money while you're taking a nap. Earning real money still requires human skill, good old-fashioned hard work, and absolute consistency. Yes, AI makes the work way faster. Yes, it massively lowers the barrier to entry. But you still have to show up every day, guide the tool, learn your market, and put in that sustained effort if you want to see actual, long-term financial returns.
Please do not blindly trust get-rich-quick schemes. In every single technological gold rush, there are always going to be people out there selling fake treasure maps. Always stick to genuine methods. Treat these strategies like real businesses, providing real value to real people. Because at the end of the day, that's exactly what they are.
As we wrap up, if you found this explainer valuable, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon. But before you go, I want to leave you with a question to spark some immediate action. Which of these 7 AI earning methods are you going to start first? Look, the tools are ready, the demand is absolutely real. The only missing variable is you. See you in the next explainer.